Hey guys, Ivan here on the Missouri Agitator channel. I'm going to start changing all my videos to this channel. Moving all my, I've got 4 different channels, so I'm moving them all here because of YouTube's new policies and the way they're taking monetization and stuff away from videos. So I've had a lot of people ask me how I tie my dropper loops. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I make a loop in my line. Pretty big loop. Pretty decent size. And then what I'll do is wrap this six or 7, 8 times until I'm comfortable with it. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll take the back side of this loop and push it back through here, like so, and trying to hold everything together. Grab that piece with my mouth and then start pulling it taut. Hopefully I got that on camera. And hopefully this is a different camera than what I normally use, so hopefully the camera picks that up. But see, that's your dropper loop. And a lot of guys, of course, you know, your weight would be on the end down here, on this end. And then your hook up here. A lot of guys will take their hooks, feed them through the eye, and then they'll just come back around, cinch it up, and then they can, you know, take their hook off if they want. I do it different. I bring mine through like so, and then what I'll tie is a Palomar knot. Pop that through, bring my hook through that loop, wet it with my mouth, and then pull it taut. And that's the way I like to fish my dropper loops. And then what I'll usually do is, you know, I'll tie my weight on the end and then come up a few feet, put in a dropper loop, and then I'll come up a few more feet and put in another dropper loop, because I like to fish, when I'm fishing that way, I like to fish 2 baits on one line. And of course that all goes with your state regulations. It's up, you know, you make sure you look into your laws before you start tying 2 hooks on and all that stuff. But that's the dropper loop. Good and stout. It hasn't failed me, so. Alright guys, hope you got some use out of that. Y'all take care. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you like the video. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Like I say, YouTube's trying to push all of us little guys out of the picture, so y'all take care till the next video.